Hey guys, Common Man. All right, I got a little piece of news for you. Not just about my situation, but I feel like piece of news for the Tesla community about something that I think is being underreported or not reported at all, which is that there are special deals, I'm liking to call them hidden deals, that are going to Cybertruck folks, meaning people who ordered Cybertrucks. So I'm not saying they necessarily go to all Cybertruck folks, folks who have ordered Cybertrucks, but they are going to some, me being one of them. I'm going to read to you exactly what the text said that I got from Tesla earlier today. All right, it goes like this. Tesla, you loved it, so we brought it back. As an early Cybertruck reservation holder, you can receive $1,000 off a new Model Y, S, or X when you order and take delivery by 3/31. Schedule your demo drive to get started. And then there's a link. So pretty cool offer. I sort of gave Tesla a $6,000 interest-free loan. That's how I view it. By ordering 63 Cybertrucks. And so they've been holding on to that money, and I can get it back anytime I want. But they're not paying me interest, but they are paying me with $1,000 off a Model Y. So am I going to take them up on this offer? Maybe. I am seriously considering it. So I just wanted to give you guys the scoop on that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else to add. Oh, I will say this. This is not the first one of these offers I've gotten from them. It's probably the third or maybe fourth, something like that. Anyway, they all sound about the same. Talk about the fact that I've ordered a Cybertruck and want to give me something off of a different vehicle, implying that it's going to be a long time before I get a Cybertruck, which if you've watched my prior videos, you know that's not exactly true. But the other thing to say is I have received additional incentives in the past, not just the $1,000. I've received an offer to get also free supercharging for something like 6 months. I can't remember, but it was something like that. That was for the end of the year, and we all know that Tesla makes a big push at the end of every quarter, but especially at the end of a year, to try to get as many vehicles out the door and into the hands of customers. So anyway, I guess that's about it. Stay tuned for updates. Bye for now.